Windows are more than just functional fixtures in your home. They provide natural light, enhance curb appeal, and offer insulation to keep energy costs manageable. For Dallas homeowners, ensuring that windows are correctly installed is crucial due to the region's hot summers and variable weather patterns. If you're considering new windows, here's a comprehensive guide to help you understand everything you need to know about window installation in Dallas. Assessing your window needs. Before diving into the installation process, it's important to assess your current windows and understand your needs. Consider the following. Condition. Are your current windows old, damaged, or difficult to open and close? Energy efficiency. Does your home experience hot spots, drafts, or high energy bills? Aesthetics. Do you want to improve the look of your home with modern styles? Once you've identified your needs, you can move on to choosing the right windows for your home. Choosing the right windows. Dallas homeowners have many options when it comes to window types and materials. Consider the following options for optimal performance and aesthetics. Window materials. Vinyl. Affordable, durable, and low maintenance, vinyl windows are popular for energy efficiency. Aluminum. Lightweight, strong, and resistant to rust, aluminum windows suit modern aesthetics. Wood. Traditional and elegant, wood offers natural insulation but requires regular maintenance. Fiberglass. Highly durable and energy efficient, fiberglass windows work well in extreme climates. Window styles. Single hung and double hung. Classic choices that offer flexibility with ventilation. Casement. Hinged on one side, casement windows provide unobstructed views and effective sealing. Sliding windows. Practical for wide window openings, sliding windows offer easy operation. Picture windows. Fixed and inoperable, these maximize views and allow abundant natural light. In Dallas, energy efficiency is a primary concern due to extreme heat in summer months. Look for windows with Energy Star ratings and features like low E coatings and double or triple panes with argon gas fills to reduce heat transfer. Hiring a professional installer. Professional installation is key to maximizing the benefits of new windows. A professional installer ensures that windows are correctly fitted, sealed, and aligned to prevent drafts, moisture intrusion, and air leaks. When selecting an installer, keep these points in mind. Experience. Look for a contractor with extensive experience in window installations in the Dallas area. Reputation. Check online reviews, references, and Better Business Bureau ratings to gauge reliability and customer satisfaction. Licensing and insurance. Verify that the installer holds proper licenses and liability insurance. Warranty. Ask about warranties on labor and materials to protect your investment. Understanding the installation process. Here's a brief overview of what to expect during window installation. Preparation. The area around the windows will be cleared, and protective measures, like drop cloths, will be used to protect flooring and furniture. Old window removal. The installer carefully removes old windows without damaging surrounding walls. Inspection and repairs. The window opening is inspected for damage. Any necessary repairs, such as replacing rotted wood, are completed. Installing the new window. The new window is placed in the opening, secured, and leveled. Insulation and caulking are applied to ensure a tight seal. Finishing touches. Interior and exterior trim are applied, and the area is cleaned up. The installer performs a final inspection and demonstrates window operation. Benefits of proper window installation. Investing in high-quality window installation offers numerous advantages. Energy efficiency. Properly installed windows minimize air leaks and heat transfer, resulting in lower energy bills. Comfort. New windows eliminate drafts, improve temperature regulation, and block out noise. Increased home value. Updated, energy-efficient windows boost curb appeal and attract potential buyers. Reduced maintenance. Modern materials require less maintenance, saving you time and effort. Enhanced security. Newer windows often come with advanced locking mechanisms for improved safety. Maintaining your windows. To maximize the longevity of your new windows, perform regular maintenance, cleaning, wash window glass, frames, and tracks regularly. Inspections. Periodically check for any damage to seals, weather stripping, and caulking. Lubrication. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to keep moving parts, like hinges and tracks, operating smoothly. By carefully selecting, installing, and maintaining your windows, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetic appeal, all while making a smart investment in your property's value. Dallas homeowners who prioritize professional installation will enjoy the benefits of well-sealed, beautiful windows for many years to come.